we have to be able to produce and utilize ketones, right? So we promote endogenous production of ketones and the ability to use exogenous ketones. Keto adaptation is a very complex process. It takes time to adapt. And the way to do that is to optimize the internal machinery that you have.
Our ketones are bound to electrolytes. So that's how they become powdered form. We take BHB and we bind it to electrolytes. The electrolytes we use are sodium, calcium, and magnesium. It's these things working what we call synergistically, meaning working together to help improve overall health and function. So if you are someone who has not been consuming electrolytes, or your body is not used to handling that much magnesium, that is the reason why you're likely experiencing going to the bathroom more. So there's two ways to fix that. Is one, start with half a packet and build your way up. Or two is maybe just drink it a little bit slower and add a little bit more water to give your body some time to process that magnesium. And so I would try and implement one of those two things. My advice is to always work with your primary care doctor. And ultimately, you as the individual have the final say. If you are really set on doing it and you just need confirmation from a doctor, then have a conversation. But as a company, we need to recommend you work with your physician as much as possible to get the approval.